Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word sleet in depth. First, the definition. Sleet means frozen or partially frozen rain falling as ice pellets. Think of it simply as tiny icy drops falling from the sky, like frozen raindrops. It can also mean wet snow or a mix of rain and snow. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Sleet traces back to Old English sleat, meaning sleet or wet snow, first recorded in the 10th century. Over time, it's been used by English speakers to describe this common winter precipitation. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use sleet in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. During the storm, sleet covered the roads, making driving very dangerous. Correct example 2. The forecast warned of sleet mixed with rain throughout the morning. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to sleep my homework into the folder, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using sleet correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Sleet means frozen or partially frozen rain falling as ice pellets. It comes from Old English sleat, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with sleet down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.